This video covers the basic installation steps for Fisher & Paykel wall ovens. Please refer to Installation Manual 590701D for complete instructions. Both single and double oven installations will require 2 people or an oven dolly. Please read the safety information thoroughly before beginning this installation. First, measure the cavity opening to ensure it is a proper size for the unit you are installing. Also ensure the electrical supply meets the requirements. Use a utility knife and cut along the top and back of the packaging to remove. Lift the styrofoam top from the oven. Remove the optional flush mount trim piece from the bottom packaging. With another person, carefully lift the oven out of the bottom packer and onto a protective surface. Use one of the corner packing pieces to slightly angle the oven and make door removal easier. Remove the oven door to make the unit lighter and easier to maneuver. Remove the inner packaging, racks, and accessory box from the oven cavity. Wire up the oven according to the diagram in the install manual, which corresponds to the supply. Using another person or an oven dolly, carefully move the oven into the cabinetry. Open the accessories box and locate the screws and plastic washers. Pull the oven out of the cabinetry slightly and place a plastic washer on the screw between the oven frame and cabinetry, as seen here. Push the oven back into place and fasten with the screws on both sides. Double ovens will have 2 additional screw locations. Remove the protective film from the control panel. Reinstall the door and remove the protective film from the handle. Turn the power on to the oven at the circuit breaker. The display will blink 24 hours. Use the left and right arrows to choose 12 hours and press the check button to confirm. Now use the left and right arrows to select the current time. Press the check button to save it. Install the oven racks and ensure they move in and out properly. Turn the oven to bake. The display will alternate between the set temperature and the current temperature, while the halo around the knob stays orange. Once it reaches the set temperature, the halo will turn white.